Hey y'all, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellie Marie and welcome back to my channel.
Take your last relationship. Look how good you treated him. You could birth like 4 of him. Girl, you never needed.
So in today's video, I'm like super excited for this one. I'm gonna be trying a brand that I've never tried before. It's gonna be my first time trying them. I am going to be trying Curlsmith. I'm gonna be trying Curlsmith. I recently posted a video of me going to Ulta Sephora, and I'll put the link up here and I'll put it in the description box below for y'all to check it out if you want to. But I recently went there and I purchased their Rehab Salve and their 3-in-1 conditioner from their what is it? Their strength recipe. So today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Curlsmith strength recipe bond curl rehab salve for bonding treatment for weak and damaged hair. Now, my hair isn't damaged in any way. Well, I feel like all hair has a little bit damage too because you manipulate it, but my hair isn't damaged and it's not necessarily weak, but I don't do a lot of protein treatments or strengthening treatments, and I haven't done any type of protein in the last probably more than 8 months. I can't remember exactly, but that's probably it. So today I'm going to be trying out the Rehab Salve. So I've seen Kimberly Sherrill use this. I've seen Jalen Mitchell, Miss Bianca Renee, all of them, they rave about this. Now, I don't have color treated hair. It says for like color treated hair and heat straightened hair. I don't have any of those. I always keep my hair like this, but I do want to try it because when I went in there, it was just calling me. Y'all do that when you go in the store and stuff, just be calling you? Yeah, it was calling me. But let me tell y'all, this joint right here was a heavy penny. I want to say it was about $27 or $29.
Dang.
I will put it down below or on the screen right now for y'all to see. I've never paid more than like $15 for a hair product, so $20-some for this. It need to work miracles. And I mean Christmas miracles because it's Christmas time. Anyways, let's just get into it. So first off, explaining my hair situation. My hair is, this is like a almost 2-week-old wash and go. I usually wash my hair once a week, but last week I had a lot going on, so I had put it up in a puff for the last couple of days, and now I'm taking it down and it feels so good. Oh, bobby pin, they be falling. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. I'm trying to show y'all like exactly what it's looking like. My front is a little bit, this little curl stayed, and I'm so happy. But yeah, it's time. I'm getting a flaky scalp, and my head itches. So I just want to give my hair a little bit of TLC. So today we're gonna do that. So first, what I'm gonna do is section my hair into four sections. One moment. So I brought y'all up a little bit and I put my hair in 4 sections. As you can see, they not like symmetrical, but they will do for the time being. I do have a spray bottle here to wet my hair a little bit because it's going to be kind of like a pre-poo situation. Let's just read about the Rehab Salve. So it says that it's made with pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, and agave and kale. It says the Curlsmith Bond Rehab Salve is not a conditioner.
And let me tell you something.
They're telling you it's a lightweight, intense treatment that makes hair look stronger and more resilient. It says apply generously onto damp hair until it is fully saturated and leave on for a minimum of 15 minutes longer if desired, and rinse off thoroughly and follow with your favorite cleanser, conditioner, and stylers. So that's what we're about to do. Balancing protein-rich and moisturizing products in your hair routine is key to healthy, strong, long hair. Our strength recipes are protein-enriched formulas designed to rebalance your hair needs. The more porous and damaged your hair is, the more protein-based your product should be. I feel like my porosity has changed over the years, but right now in my hair state, I think I'm somewhere between medium and low porosity. I haven't talked about porosity in a long time on my channel, but I believe so. My hair doesn't take that long to absorb product or moisture. But yeah, y'all, this is an 8 fluid ounce bottle. Let me tell y'all something. This look way smaller than what they be showing. Okay, so if you look on Instagram, like on your phone or iPad or anything, this thing looks so big. It look big. Like this look big, right? But back here, why is it so small? I was thinking it was like at least like 9 ounces, something like that. I don't know. But it's 8 fluid ounces, and Curlsmith is known for being cruelty-free, no parabens, silicones, SLES, and all that stuff. And they are vegan. I don't know how hair products be vegan. I thought vegans were food. Don't do that. Okay, so first off, let's do the smell test. It's very sweet, kind of like a candy. It's giving me something in my head, but I can't get it out. It smells really good though. I wish y'all could smell it. Okay, look, y'all see it? It's kind of running out a little bit. Yeah, ooh, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna spray this whole section first with water. Now I'm hoping this will have some slip to it because my hair is tangled. Like I said, it's an old wash and go. So then I'm gonna split it into two. I'm trying not to do big sections, but we'll see. So this is damp. Let's see what it's looking like. Ooh, it's okay. It looks runny. Okay, I'm gonna add about that much first. It smells so good. Ooh, okay. It's real. Feels kind of like a leave-in conditioner. Ooh. Oh, I can't be wasting this. Don't be. Can't be wasting this now. Ooh, okay. I immediately felt some slip. I immediately felt it. Ah. It smells so good. Now, I do have product on my hair, so that might affect it a little bit, but I feel like it should be okay overall. Okay, so my hair is feeling good. Okay. It feels okay. I feel like I added some moisture, like I'm doing a pre-poo. I don't know if I feel any strengthening properties. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more because y'all already know me. If you don't know me, now you know. Okay, that was probably a little bit much than I needed. I'm trying not to use a lot because this is expensive. I need this to last. Oh, this feels so good. Going onto my hair. It feels good. Yeah, it's not working well with the products I put in my hair prior, but it's okay because it's a pre-poo. And it didn't say apply to clean hair. My pattern brush here that I love, and I'm just gonna detangle a little bit. Oh, y'all see the flakes at all? Oh, it's okay. Let's not worry about that, okay? I probably should have rinsed my hair first, but I didn't want to do that. Okay, my hair feels good, so I'm just gonna twist it up. This is what my hair is looking like, all juicy and twisted, and I'm flaking up, but it's okay. It's not a styler, so it's okay. I'm not leaving it in my head.
So that looks just like you, yes you, even smiles just the way you do, so innocent, easy.
Because it's flaking up so bad, I don't want to use my brush to comb it through. I'm just gonna twist it up like this. I'm not gonna detangle with the brush because I just don't like that it's flaking so much, but it is a pre-poo treatment, so it's okay.
But I was fooled.
Finished applying it, and like I said before, I just stopped brushing it through because it was really clumping up really bad with my previous parts that I had in. So yeah, I'm just not gonna do that, but I did rake it through as good as I could. So let's see how much I used. I can't really tell. I'm pretty sure I only used like this much of it, maybe. Now usually I've been heavy-handed, so But nah, this joint is too expensive. Okay, let's talk about it. So far, I like the smell. I really like the smell. I like the consistency, the concept. I really like. It says let it sit for 15 minutes. Overall, I like it right now, but I will see in 15 minutes, and I will see after I rinse it out, and we'll talk about it. So yeah, see y'all in a few seconds. So it has been about 20 minutes later. Actually, it's been in for 20 minutes, and it hasn't really fully absorbed to my hair. Definitely feels much better than when it was. It feels softer. The real test is when I wash it out. I'm going to go ahead and get in the shower, shampoo, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm not gonna condition. I'm gonna just shampoo and come back, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like so I can apply my deep conditioner. So I'm out of the shower. I've been out of the shower for like 30, maybe 40 minutes, and my hair is kind of probably already dry. I did put a cap on it to keep the water in. Like I said, I didn't condition or anything like that. Sir, let's see what I'm looking like. This is my hair. My hair feels soft. It has more bounce back. Yeah, I can definitely tell the bounce back. Other than that, I don't really feel a big difference. I think with the Bond Rehab Salve, you have to use it progressively to see some change. And I'm thinking about flat ironing my hair for the holidays, so maybe if I do that, I will use this when I revert my hair. It doesn't feel dry or anything like that. It's not like soft with like conditioner or anything, but it's as soft as it's gonna get without any product, you know. So right now I can't make a definite decision about how I like the product, but I do like it. It's good overall. It has nice slip, and once again, it smells. The best thing to me right now that I can take from it is the smell. Okay, so yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. And if you tried this product before, please let me know. Right now it's nothing too special. If y'all enjoyed my video, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button on your way out of here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Love you.
I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going